Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to export a JPEG so that evidently they can send it to the customer and get it approved. A couple of things you can do. If you want to send this one, you can Control C to copy it, hit the plus key, get a new page, paste it, and then you could export that. That's a lot of work. If you just need a JPEG of an item, every Windows computer that I know of has a program called Snipit. So if you just go right here and start typing Snipit, snipping tool, it's going to go new, and all you have to do is just draw an outline around your box, go up to File, Save As, and we're going to call it Capture 3, but we're going to make sure it's a JPEG. You can make it a JPEG or a PDF or a GIF, but they specified JPEG, and we'll just say save. We didn't have to export it. Then just close that down, and then right-click your mouse and import, and we're going to go Capture 3 JPEG and import it. Now it is bigger, probably. There's a way, probably to Snipit, you could probably size it. But if you're just sending it, and you can make it, the customer is not going to know that that is 4.5 by 2. Now you could make this with your ratio locked, 4.5 by 2. So really, it must have really stretched it out. So we could unlock. No, I'm 4.5. And unlock your ratio and put 2. There's your real size, if you were doing it for something. And it's, it's fuzzy because it's a JPEG. I love this emblem. First I looked at it and said, man, that's a little bit fuzzy, but they cleaned it up, and it's a good sharp vector graphic. Anyway, so there's several ways you could export it, but if you're just trying to send it to the customer, just save it as a JPEG. The only other way you could do it is just grab that one you wanted and Control C to copy it, Control A to duplicate, or Control A to group or grab all, and then hit delete, and then right click and paste it. Now this is the only thing on your page, and you could export it. Now, once you exported it, just go back to the original page and you still have your artwork. See, that's the one I just did. Anyway, I hope that gave them some ideas, and I don't use Snipit that much. I use Snagit, which I use to make this video right now, but it does the same thing on photographs. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.